Hi my loves, in today's video I'm showing you 3 amazing DIY hacks to get the softest, smoothest hands and feet ever, so just keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, new DIYs every Wednesday and videos every week. Also, check out my website, anita-samantha.com for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with a ton of hacks I don't share on my channel. So the first thing you'll be needing is a large bowl. This isn't necessary, but I find that it helps so much better, especially with distributing the product in a small space. You can also just use a sink or your bathtub if you're doing this on your feet, but make sure you're using warm water. So I am just filling the bowl with some warm water. Now make sure you watch to the end because I have 3 important steps to just achieve the ultimate result. But for the first step, which is the magical softening solution that also washes your hands, you're going to be needing some sea salt. Any type of sea salt will do, but of course the more natural the better, and I will list every single thing I use down below. The second ingredient you'll be needing for this solution is pure baking soda. All it is sodium bicarbonate, and this works wonders in softening the skin, healing the skin, and also lightening any dark areas. It's also wonderful for your nails. The next thing you'll be needing is some hand soap. Any hand soap will do, but I definitely recommend a nourishing one, something that is meant to nourish your hands and not dry them out. So I will be using this one with shea butter and shea extract from Bath & Body Works. The third ingredient you will be needing is some apple cider vinegar. You want the raw organic version. This is really going to help with softening the skin, nourishing the skin, and also work as an antibacterial alongside the soap and the sea salt. This really helps to take away any harsh layers of your skin and leave you with baby soft skin. Another thing you can use, which is optional but I recommend it, I will list where I got mine below, is this loofah, I guess you would call it, like a scrub, but once you wet it, it is double-sided, so you can use the rougher side to polish your hands or your feet, and then you can use the cloth side just to soften and smooth everything out. So I definitely recommend that. Now let's jump right into making this amazing solution, and once I show you how to make that, I will show you how to really nourish and soften your skin with my favorite lotions and secret hacks. Alright, so remember we're starting with some nice warm water. Then you're going to pump about 3 to 4 pumps of any type of soap that you love to use, and you're going to stir it just a little bit. Then you're going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of the salt. Now, I do recommend following the order that I use the products in because I notice every time I do it in this order, I get the best results. Maybe it's in my head, but I'm serious when I say it really does make a difference for me. So once I add a tablespoon of salt, I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of baking soda. Give and take. Sometimes I free pour it, sometimes I measure it out, but just so you guys get a good idea of how much of each product that I use. The last thing you're going to be needing is about a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. You just want to make sure you shake it up real good before pouring it in there. Then we are going to give it a really good stir. Now take your time stirring it. The warm water will actually help dissolve all of these products perfectly into this amazing softening solution that you guys are going to notice right away. But you also want to make sure you watch to the end so you can see my hydrating hacks. So once you've stirred this solution enough, you will notice bubbles, a little bit of foaming at the top. That means that it's ready. It usually takes me about a solid minute to stir it. Now it is time to set the timer. So you want to set your timer to 5 minutes. Sometimes I go up to 8 minutes, and this is how long we're going to let our hands soak in this solution, wash our hands with this solution, and really let our skin absorb it. And if you guys are watching right now, comment 4-minute mark so I can show you so much love in the comment section and see who my true subscribers are. You guys know I love to shout you out and give you love. So you want to make sure when you are using the solution, you're really scrubbing it into your hands, washing it, soaking it. And you also want to do the same thing for your feet if you are trying to achieve baby soft feet too. I will also list my DIY pedicure and how to achieve beautiful feet in the top left corner, I believe, of this screen. I will also link it down below. So make sure you give it a good wash. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dip my little exfoliator tool, which I'll link down below, and I'm going to really rub the inner and outer parts of my hands. This really makes it so smooth. I cannot wait for you guys to try this though. I promise as soon as you try this solution, you guys are going to be like, why did I not start using this sooner? I get so many compliments on how soft my hands and my feet are, and it is so thanks to this DIY. So I cannot wait for you to try. Once it's been 5 to 8 minutes, you just want to go ahead and wash your hands with some water. You don't need any soap. You just want to use plain water, and then it's time to hydrate. So once drying my hands, there's 2 hacks I like to do. So one is I combine 2 products, one of them being the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion. I will link it down below. Also, I like to use a nice vitamin C repairing oil or serum. I will link the one that I've been using in a lot of my videos lately down below. I use this on my face, on my hands, on my body, for everything, and it really just smooths my skin, brightens, and makes it look refreshed. So I'm going to mix this with the lotion and really rub it in my hands. The key with applying any serum, whether it be on your hands, your feet, your face, your skin, is you always want to apply the serum first and then apply the lotion, since lotion is typically thicker and the serum absorbs faster. So once I let my skin absorb it, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 pumps of the lotion. I know it seems excessive, but this is really what locks in that moisture for my skin. Sometimes I bring it up my arms, but I really try to focus all of that lotion in my skin. It just takes a little bit longer to absorb, but trust me, you guys, it will last you for days. Now, if you watched all the way to the end, comment I watched till the end in the comment section, and I want to show you guys just how soft and smooth and glowing my skin is. If you guys have really rough skin, what you can do is actually put some gloves on after applying everything we just did to really let your hands lock it in, but I think most of you will be fine without that, and you can just enjoy your baby soft hands, feet, or wherever you apply the solution and hydration. So I hope you guys loved this video. Give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you want to see from me next. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon for a new video. Mwah!